discuss on a topic. Do you know what is the topic?
Yes.
Who will tell me what is the topic? Tell me what is the topic? Okay. Is it true that we are going to talk on use and misuse of mobile phone?
Yes.
No, I think that the topic is a bit different. The topic is mobile phone good for a school-going student or not? Okay. Although we'll keep talking about all those things, complete uses and misuses of mobile phone, but today's discussion will be focused on should students, particularly school-going students, use mobile phone or not? Okay. So before going to discuss on the topic, can anybody define what is mobile phone? Who can define what is mobile phone?
Mobile phone is like we can link our
Like and accessible.
Okay, mobile phone is a device. Can anybody say that mobile phone is a technical device, mechanical device, manual device? What sort of device it is?
Mobile is electrical device.
Okay.
And we use mobile to call anyone, record picture, and e-test for test calling anybody.
Okay, Shivam. It means that mobile is an electronics device, okay, which is very useful. I'm not going to go into the depth of the thing that what are the uses of it, but I can say that mobile is an electronic device which is very useful for us. Okay. As we know that everybody, almost, not everybody, then every family, I must say that every family is enjoying mobile. Okay, later on we'll talk about it, that whether they are enjoying or they are spoiling their families. But so far as we are going to talk about the uses and misuses of mobile. So let me discuss on this topic. Well, Mr. Naman, what do you think? Mobile phone is good for us or bad?
I think mobile phone is good.
Why? Why is it good for you or me?
Because it helps us in everything.
Okay, you are a student, you are a school-going student. How does a mobile phone help you?
Mobile phone helps me from asking any questions from Google, and there are many learning apps on the mobile.
Well, can you give me some examples of learning apps? What sort of apps are you talking about?
Byju's,
Okay, Byju's.
Sasol,
Okay. Okay, so you have given some of the names of the apps by which we can learn. Okay. What are other uses of mobile? Can you tell me?
we can listen songs and we can play games.
Okay, should a student listen song on mobile? Don't you think that? Why? Don't you think that it is wastage of time for the student?
We can listen song and play games in our spare time.
Okay, when you have a spare time, then you should listen songs and play games. But don't you think that if you have a spare time, then you should play outdoor games so that you can be physically fit? So don't you think that being in the house playing on mobile is harmful for us?
No, I don't think it is that.
You don't think? Don't you think that for a student it is important to play outside?
It is also good to play outside. They can play in lunch time in the school.
Okay, in lunch time they can play. And but while they are at home, they should play games on mobile. What do you think about as I have heard that mobile phone can spoil our eyes? What would you say on this matter?
We should use mobile phone not for a long time, for a short time.
Okay, we should use for a short time. But don't you think that when parents are not at home, then the students start using for a long time?
Yes, these are. I agree.
So this is bad.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, well done. Okay, Mr. Naman has said that mobile phone is good for a student as mobile phone is used for asking questions from Google, and there are so many educational apps by which students can learn, and he has given some examples of Byju's And I have seen that there are so many apps by which one can learn. Okay, is there anybody who wants to say that no, mobile phone is not good for us? Can anybody say from the girl side? Can anybody say that no, mobile phone is not good at all? Particularly, it is not good for students. Yeah, tell me. What do you think? It is not good for school-going students. But what is bad if a school-going student use mobile phone now and then? They are not spending a lot of time on mobile, but whenever they have spare time, if they are spending time on it, then what's bad in it, as Amal has said?
It is bad because if students goes outside for playing, because of that he will be fit and he will be mentally good. And if he use mobile at his spare time, then sometimes mobile can
Mobile can spoil eyes.
and
Okay,
mentally tortured. Yeah, students are also mentally tortured by the phones.
Okay. One thing is that you cannot go for outdoor games always. Okay, in the evening or at night when you are free. So don't you think that at night you cannot do physical work? So when you are free, then you need to do it. First thing. Second thing, that students should be given mobile phone to use even for playing games and for other purposes. Because many of the students can make careers in this field. Mobile is similar to computer. If a student knows how to use mobile phone properly, so don't you think that later on it will be very useful. Later on it will be very convenient for the students to learn computers. So that's why, see, I do agree that we should not give the students enough time for spending on mobile. But now and then it should be given to students.
No, I think that up to 10th students, parents should not give phone, because if they have any problem and if they want to as well do anything in his spare time, so they can do other things by art or anything, but they should not play on phone, and they should watch TV in their spare time. And if they have some problem in his subject, they can ask from his teacher and
But while students are at home, how can they ask from their teachers?
They have books, so they can.
They have books, but they cannot ask from the books. And studying books takes a long time. And if they have mobile phone, they can search particular question on YouTube or Google, and they can find the a specific answer to that question. So that saves time.
So up to 10th students, there is nothing that book has not written, and there is not more.
The problem is that, everything has been written in the book, but the problem is that students cannot understand themselves. And in order to search the answer, students will have to spend a lot of time, because the book is very thick and students will have to go
So
into
up to 10th students, the book are not very hard, and it is not so.
If we talk about the students of class up to 10th, it is hard for them. When you pass up 10th, then after it becomes easier for you. But if you go and talk to the students who are under 10th, they find it very hard.
But I think
Overall, your point of view is that students should not be given mobile phone as they may misuse it.
Yeah.
Okay?
They should not give their personal phone. They should anytime if he wants, then he should use his parents' phone.
Okay, well done. Now, as she has said that no, students should not be given mobile phone. Particularly, students must not be given personal phone. Okay, school-going students are, if given personal phones, they may misuse it, and whensoever, now and then, if they are in need of, they can use their parents' mobile. Okay, so what's your opinion, Mr. Saurabh?
Sir, I think that after 8th class, the parents should give a personal phone to the student because they have many other programs such as if they have any problem in any topic, they can see on the YouTube and search from.
Yeah, one more problem can be there. That suppose if you are using your parents' mobile, every now and then your parents will ask for the mobile. Okay, and calls may come, so you may not study properly.
Yeah.
Okay, but don't you think that the chances of being misused is very high?
Can be. But if parents teach their children to use the mobile phone properly, then it will not be happening.
Okay, parents should teach students, parents should teach their children not to misuse mobile. But do you think that just if parents are saying don't misuse, will students stop misusing it?
No, it will not stop in one day, student, but after a long time, after he will stop.
Okay, have you any suggestion what sort of things should be done by parents to stop misuse of mobile?
Parents should regular check their student phone, such as Google phone, history, that what they are doing,
Okay,
and
And
if
you
they
know-
doing any wrong thing, and then he should warn it.
okay, warn him or her. Okay, there is also parental control app is also there. Parents can control it, and some apps are there by which parents can see everything every time. So by which parents can control it. Okay, as you say that students should be given mobile phone particularly after 8th and before 10th because there are so many work they are supposed to be done. Okay, so what do you think about its when it is giving physical harm to our eyes?
It gives physical harm to our eyes, but if we use it at a particular period of time, if we use it properly,
See, this is the problem. We can say our students to use, not to misuse, and use only when you are really in need of it.
Yeah.
But the problem is that students become addicted to it, and every now and then, even they have the small work, they don't want to read at all. They want everything ready-made. They want everything to be taught on YouTube. They don't want to study at all. So don't you think that their reading habits will go away?
it's bad.
See, as we see that there was a time when students used to spend a lot of time on reading, and that's why their reading skill used to be very good. But nowadays, what I find that students are not giving time on reading, and that's why they are losing this art of reading books.
But they are saving their time.
They are saying, what is the use of this time when you are losing something bigger? And the time will come when students will not be able to be perfect in writing. See, after the advent of mobile phone, as I have found, that students have lost the art of reading and writing. Do you agree? Okay, well done. Okay, Mr. Raviranjan, what do you think about mobile phone? I think that you must be in the favor of mobile phone. Students should be given mobile phone. No? Should students be given mobile phone or not? Mobile phone should be given to students. Why?
Because these are very useful for students. They have many programs on many subjects, and they see on YouTube and Google.
Okay, I have noticed that along with you too, I see that no student, when they go to classroom, nobody is ready to ask any question from teacher. When you are in the classroom, you don't ask any question from your teacher, then how can I believe that you will be asking questions from YouTube or Google? It directly indicates that you will not ask any question from Google or YouTube. You will misuse your time.
It's not true.
Okay, fair enough. How can you say that it's not true? See, don't you think that when you are giving someone, when your teacher is there in the classroom, you never ask any question from your teacher? So what does it mean? What is the guarantee that you will be asking questions from Google and YouTube?
Because in classroom there are so many students, and when we stand up in classroom and we start asking any question, then everybody only see on your face and you become fear and
Okay, so this is good. I think that it means that you don't have courage to ask question. First thing. Second thing, that don't you think this? How will you remove your this fear? If you keep asking questions from your mobile phone or over the phone, then will you be able to remove this fear?
No, I will not be able to.
So don't you think that students must not be given mobile phone? Students should be said to go in the classroom. Even then, although students may be laughing at you, but even then you must ask your teacher. So don't you think that mobile phone is bringing this demerit into you?
Yeah, this is demerit, but there are so many things we can use on mobile phone.
Okay, first of all, do you agree that if you have this habit of not asking questions from your teacher just for the sake of as others laugh at you and that's why you are not asking questions from your teacher, is this good? This is not good? Okay, then don't you think that this is the nature of students, that if someone does something, students will start laughing because they are the part of your classroom, they are the part of your friend circle. So don't you think that you must not be very much hesitated when someone is laughing at you? Okay, what sort of other usage you are talking about?
I'm talking about so many things, such as you can manage your household accounts on with the help of mobile phone.
See, I am talking about the school going students. What is the need of the school going students managing household things?
I think that parents should give them mobile phone because if they have any problem in their subjects and you are at home, then you can take the help of mobile phone by using internet.
So don't you think that for that you can take the help of the mobile phone of your parents? What is the need of giving personal mobile phone to students?
And Saurabh said that after 8th class you can, after class 8 the parents should give them mobile phone personal because if you take the mobile phone of your parents, then so many calls came, important call comes, and if you are doing your study and when call comes, then you get disturbed. So you should.
So don't you think that
So now in a smartphone, the application are available that if you
that can stop calls?
that on your-
While using
stop
internet, you can
calls.
bar calls. You
Yeah.
can bar calls
Yeah.
doing that, or you can put you can I think that place it into flight mode.
Yeah, flight mode.
Call may not come there, and I think that if you put it in flight mode, then you may not use the internet also.
Yeah.
So you can stop. I think that there are some settings by which we can stop calls too.
Yeah.
Okay. So don't you think that the mobile can give the habit of addiction of so many bad things to students?
It's all up to the students how they use mobile phone. If
Okay, don't you think that school-going students are not advised that they must not misuse it?
no, if they take a phone for doing their study, then they will not do anything.
See, if the phone is being taken for the studies, but what is the guarantee that the student is going to study only? Because parents cannot be always with the student. And nowadays, this is the habit of students to use headphone or earphone. What they are listening, what they are doing, nobody can understand it. Then do you agree that no students should not be given personal phone? Okay, now and then they can be given their parents' phone. Okay. Okay. Now I want to talk about the abuses which have crept in our society due to social media. Okay, as we know, everybody knows social media. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter. These medias, these social media are spoiling our youth. Okay, Mr. Deepak, what do you think? Should school-going students use WhatsApp? No. What is bad in it? Say, in our general life, we talk to our friends. So if we talk over phone, if we use WhatsApp and we talk to our friends, what's bad in it?
It will be automatically wasted our time, and I don't think that there is more important to talk on WhatsApp at their school time. Yes.
So there is no need to talk on school time. I'm talking about when they have free. When they are free and they have free time, they can talk.
In free time they can enjoying listening songs, or they may entertain by taking fun, but
What is bad in it?
by what
See, I know that on WhatsApp, students can ask some questions from friends. And nowadays, don't you think that students have made groups? Okay, many groups they have made, and in the group, many educational things are given. So all students are properly informed and they study well.
So, they can also form a group and they can sit together and do things.
So you mean to say that it should be done physically rather than on mobile phone? Okay. And what do you think about if a student is given just a simple phone? I'm not talking about a smartphone. If a student is given simple phone, will it be good for them? Even a student should not be given general phone. Okay.
our time, because we search any word meaning in physical dictionary, it take time, and we search in internet, it's give our 1 second solution, and we download as question answer, we find in books that takes time, but we find in internet give a 1 second solution.
Okay, you mean to say that if we use mobile phone, then it saves our time.
Yeah.
And when we save our time, then what can we do in the rest of the time?
In mobile we can play anything like PUBG.
Okay,
Free
okay. You mean to say
Fire.
that you have got a spare time and then after you can play something else.
Yeah.
Don't you think that it spoils our eyes? If you play it for a long time, it will spoil your eyes.
That's not matter. I think.
Means your eyes are not important.
No, I want to say that for not long time.
Okay, students should not watch
Yeah.
mobile phone on for a long time.
I think student to work and listen song.
Okay, should school-going students listen songs
Yeah, for the entertainment.
for the entertainment? Okay. Do they have enough time for entertainment?
They have some time.
They should listen because in classroom teacher also say to go on podium and start singing. Then what will they do?
Okay. So they should
That's
get training of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that particularly I'm talking about you? You have been taking parts in cultural program in your school.
Yeah.
So does mobile help you in
Yeah.
cultural program?
Yeah, mobile helps me.
How does
We
it help
download
you?
that step, we forget that step, but we see in mobile, and that what we practice for.
You practice for
Yeah.
dancing.
Yeah.
So it means that as she has said very good thing that as she has been taking part in many cultural programs, so whensoever she needs to do preparation, she can take the help of mobile phone and she can prepare. Okay, well done. Okay. Is there anybody who wants to say anything in this regard? You want to say? Yeah.
According to me, I think mobile is not bad. User is bad because it is depend of user how it is used.
Okay, so if a school-going student is the user,
Yeah,
what is the chances? Will he be good user or bad user?
bad user.
Bad user. It means that a student should not be given mobile.
No sir. So because most of the students misuse the mobile.
Okay, how do they misuse? What do they do on mobile?
When he take personal mobile, he and she always busy in playing PUBG, seeing the TikTok and chatting with friend. So he waste his valuable time, many hours. So this is not best for the student.
So that is why students should not be given.
No sir.
Okay, don't you think that we are living in a technical era? We are living in a modern era where technical gadgets are very important for everyone. You cannot keep your children away from such gadgets. So don't you think we should give mobile phone to students, but we must keep control on that.
Sir, but no any students no any students
Means students cannot be controlled by parents.
no any students controlled by the parents, because when parents are not at home, he and she misuse the mobile, because always parents not live with students.
And then they misuse it. Whenever they are free, they start misusing it.
Yes.
Well said. Let me now, as the time is running out, we have covered points, and let me talk to the student who is online. Mr. Divyans.
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you listen to the students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is your turn. I am going to talk to you. Tell me, mobile phone is good for students or bad?
So good for us.
How is it good for students? Most of the students have said good, and you are also among them. Why do you say that mobile phone is good for students?
So good. Yes, sir.
So students, today we talked on whether students should use mobile phone or not. As we have seen that many of the students have said that mobile phone is good for school going students if it is used in a restricted form. There is nothing wrong in it. And many of the students have said no, restriction cannot be put on it. It is not easy for parents to control the use of mobile. So it's better not to provide mobile to school going students. So although we have seen it that there are uses as well as misuses, but as a conclusion, I can conclude it saying this, that mobile phone is a technical gadget and we are living in a technical age. We cannot be aloof from the world, technical world, and that is why we should give mobile phone to our school going children, but we should give in our presence and we must say what they are doing, so that they must learn it. They must understand what mobile phone is.
So they should give their personal phone?
No. I'm not talking about they should be given personal phone. Before matriculation, they must not be given personal phone, but they must be given phone.
Yeah.
Their parents' phone should be given so that they can use it. So, thank you very much for being with me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.